Hey everybody, David Fisher here, D-Fish. Want to talk to you briefly today about the power of sales coaching. And more importantly, I want to talk about what sales coaching isn't, because a lot of people are getting bad coaching. I saw a document recently, a PDF from a large technology platform that purported to help sales managers be better coaches. And the platform's a good platform, which is why it's upsetting that this document just wasn't very good. And basically what this PDF was a goal setting exercise. And goal setting is incredibly important, and it's an important element of coaching. But coaching is not a goal setting exercise. Like just handing somebody a worksheet about setting goals, that's not what being a coach is. Coaching is really about the conversation that happens around those goals, around how you're deciding what goals to choose, what you need to put in place to make those goals happen, and just as importantly, why you haven't achieved those goals up to this point. It is not just checking a box, putting some ideas down on a piece of paper and then going, hey, did I hit it or not? It really is about that conversation. And coaching is about helping people move past the blocks and the challenges and maybe even the gaps or inefficiencies that have plagued them in the past, and helping them on a very human level move past those challenges into the next level, and hopefully allowing them to hit those goals that they've set for themselves. So think about that when you're coaching somebody else. Think about that when you're getting coached. And also think about that when you coach the person you coach the most often, which is yourself, right? You need to go through that process. Move past this silly idea of just writing down your goals. That's important, but that's step one of many steps. And be a good coach, get good coaching, coach yourself well. We'll talk soon. Bye.